So, hello guys, good day. So, I am here to show you and to discuss what is what are the three basic logic gate. So, first we have the NOT gate, second OR gate, and lastly the AND gate. So, first let's discuss what is NOT gate. So again, what is NOT gate? NOT gate are available using digital circuits to produce the desired logical function. The standard NOT gate is given a symbol whose shape a triangle pointing the right with a circle at its end. This circle is known as the inversion bubble. This bubble denotes a signal inversion of the signal and can be present on either both the output and or the input terminals. So I will show you guys some examples of NOT gate and how it works. So first example is this. So if we put the input as 1, then the output will be 0. So another example is if we put an input of 0, then the output will be 1. So that's the meaning of inversion bubble. So that is the purpose of inversion bubble. It means that invert output. So here is the NOT truth table. So as I said earlier, if we input a number 0, then the output will be 1. And if we input the number 1, then the output will be 0. So that's how it works, the NOT gate. So second, the OR gate. So what's an OR gate? OR gate, the output of the logical OR gate only returns low again when all of its inputs are logical level 0. In other words, for a logical OR gate, any high input will give a high logical level 1 output. So at what it said, if we both input the number 0, then the output will be 0. Then if we put for the A 0 and the B is 1, so the result or the output will be 1. So another is if we put 1 for the A and 0 for the B, then the output will be 1. And also if we put A for 1, B and 1, so output will be 1. So here is the OR truth table. So just like I said earlier, if we put for the A 0, then we put the 0 for B, then the output will be 0. If we put 0 for A, then B for 1, then the output will be 1. If we put 1 for the A, 0 for the B, then the output will be A. And if we put 1 both to the A and B, then the output will be 1. So that's how it works for the OR gate. And lastly, for the AND gate. So what is AND gate? AND gate, the output state of a digital logic AND gate only return low again when any of its inputs are logic level 0. In other words, for logic AND gate and low input will give a low output. So this in AND gate, this is the parang ito yung kabaliktaran ng OR gate. Because in OR gate, if we put 20 in AB, then the result will be 0, just like the OR. But the difference is here. If we put 0 in the input of A and 1 in the input of B, then the result will be 0. Nothing. Just like the number 3 too. Number 3 example. If we put 1 in the A and 0 in the B, then the output will be 0. And lastly, it's only give one output if we both put 1 in the input A and B. That's how it works for the AND gate. So here is the AND truth table. Just like I said earlier, if we put A as 0, B for 0, then the output will be 0. If we put A 0 and 1 to the B, then the output will be 0. If we put A as 1, B as 0, then the output will be 0. It will only give us one output if we put A 1 to B and A. So that's how it works for the AND gate. So that will be all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. Thank you.